What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to get more ground clearance without changing the stock ride height. Alright, and the way we're going to do that is we're going to get rid of these. We're going to be getting rid of this rocker trim right here, and then we're also going to be replacing this step board with a rock slider. One of the problems with this OEM step board is that your foot barely fits on it. And when you're getting out of the car, you barely have any room to put your feet on it before you get out. So hopefully today we can solve that problem. What I got here in these two boxes are the Shrockworks rocker trim panel and rock sliders. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, we're here at Elite Automotive Repair. It's a little cold outside. I'm not going to get under the car and put these rock sliders on, but we'll show you exactly how they are put on. So let's go inside, let's see what's going on. See if they're ready for us. Ooh. Alright guys, finally back at home. I decided not to do an installation video this time because I just didn't want to bore you guys. The installation is pretty simple. It comes with instructions. Just follow the instructions. I'm just going to give you an in-depth review of the Shrockworks rock sliders and rocker panel. So the rock slider, the rocker panel, comes with this end cap. It comes with this rocker trim piece right here. See, this rocker trim piece is held on by all these screws, and my biggest gripe with this Shrockworks is that I did not get it in regular brushed stainless steel, brushed aluminum. As you can see, I got a little nick here already, and if I purchased this in just brushed aluminum, I could have painted it myself and it would be a lot easier to color match this. On the other hand, I've gained a significant amount of clearance from the 4RUNNER limited stock side steps. This side step is a lot higher up. I'm not sure if you guys can tell. I actually have to climb up the vehicle. I actually have to take a huge step up to get into the vehicle. And getting out of the vehicle, it used to be that my foot would go further down, and I found myself initially almost completely jumping out of the vehicle. So I had to get used to putting my foot on this. But there is a little bit more foot room. To get in and out. The panel is definitely a lot bigger. As you can see from the back, this panel is a lot wider in the rear, so a lot easier for the rear passengers to get out. And it's obvious once you get out, you see this, you step on this and you can get out of the vehicle very easily. Let's go on to the other side. This was something that I was previously aware of. The fitment isn't 100%. You see there's a tiny little gap here, and I think it's possibly due to this screw over here, but there are a lot of people on the forums who say that the fitment wasn't 100%. You know, if you want to get the OEM rocker trim, it's about, I think, $400 for both driver and passenger side. The Shrockworks one was, I think, less than $200. So yeah, overall I'm pretty happy because this is basically just a trim piece and nobody's gonna really see this. And the main purpose was to get a little bit more clearance, and this is definitely sturdy. I like that it's I like the overall look of how I'm liking the overall look of the car. It's definitely made the car look way more aggressive. The car just looks lifted. This car is looking lifted without actually being lifted. Alright guys, I hope that video has been helpful for you guys. If you guys are deciding to get some rock sliders, make sure you get it in the naked brushed aluminum, brushed stainless steel form, so you can paint it yourselves just in case you get any chips and nicks on the sliders themselves. It's easier to paint match. I highly recommend that. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave some comments below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Peace.